Don't do this.
Don't do this.
গায়ে হাত দিয়েন না।
So what? তোমাকে আমি মারছি।
I know English properly. Don't worry about
So
that.
what? You know, I think you better. But
Yes, I am, but you can't touch me.
University.
So what?
So what?
Doesn't matter for me. I'm running student.
You student of degree college.
Yes.
So doesn't hack to me.
So what?
So what?
You just doing your job properly. That's enough. That's enough. You just do your job properly. That's enough for us.
I am not.
That's enough for us.
Authority.
And you cannot touch me because this is not your right. This is not your right. But my side, I like. I can't explain you. You don't touch me.
No, this is not touch.
This is. You don't touch.
No.
No. It's the last warning, sir. Please don't touch me. No. আপনি touch করুন।
Who are you?
স্যার, আমি